First is cat flu, similar to a human cold. Symptoms include sneezing, runny eyes, and lethargy. With proper hydration, veterinary care, and rest, your feline friend can regain their bright eyes and playful spirit. Chapter Flu.
FLUTD affects the bladder and urethra. Watch for straining in the litter box or crying in pain. Treatment often involves increasing water intake.
Flea allergy dermatitis is the most common skin disease caused by flea bites triggering intense itching. Monthly flea prevention eliminates the parasites, stopping